Good morning. I'm Boutahiri Ashraf, mechanical engineer, and I would like to make you this first exercise for some special sketch and how to use sketch under CATIA. This is my channel, and here you have many videos about CATIA and metrology and hand drawing. Okay, so getting access in CATIA to mechanical design sketcher, and you name your parts Ashraf Boutahiri, exercise number 1, and we go inside our space to make sketch. So here we are in the 3 dimension space, and we select a plan and we start to draw our sketch. So today we are going to try to make this sketch with these dimensions, okay, using only profile tool. So getting access to profile tool, you can get access to it like this, profile, and you have the sketch tool here. You can use it to define dimension of your elements and segment and so on. So you should show your grid and activate geometric constraint and also dimensional constraint. So go into the first dimension, which is this distance 90 from here, and we have 45 from here. Okay, and just minimize the size. So I'm going to start to choose tool, and we use this point, and we choose a length of 90. We click on OK, and we have this dimension blue position, which means horizontal position. And we should also make this radius here. So we are going to choose this forma, which is tangent arc. We defined radius, which is 45. Radius 45. We enter, and we have to stop right here. So the shape is just a quarter of a circle. So we are going to stop just in this position, which is a suggestion by our software. We stop right here, and after that we need to make this length of 70. So we come here and we make the length which is 70. We come here and we need to make this angle here, or for the first time we are going to just, you can say that we can define the angle here. So our angle is 200 degrees. So, and we have here 150 degrees. So we can make a calculation to calculate this angle here. Okay. So it's up to you. You can make the definition here. So here you have 270 and minus by calculation. So here we have you can make a calculation after that. So it doesn't matter. I don't want to make a calculation. I did it like this, and after that you can, well, we are going to define it. We need this length, which is undefined. Okay, you can stop like this, and here to show you that when you don't define the angle or the length, you don't have the dimension directly. Okay, so after that we have a length of 40 with a perpendicularity here and here. We define 40. Enter, and a suggestion of perpendicularity in blue. Okay, and we should go by 30 and 30 one more time. 30 one more time. So we are going to define length 30. Okay, we stop here and we say one more time 30, and we need a segment of arc like this. But if we define the radius, we cannot close this element here. But so we should just say that we have a coincidence, and by defining these two elements we are going to define the radius. Okay, so we are going just to connect these two elements, 2 points, okay, like this. And by zoom out we are going to start to redefine this element. So if I drag this like this, these two elements, this radius and this length and this angle will be defined. Okay, so I click on constraint here and I choose this element and I choose constraint and I say this radius should be one more time 15. Okay, double click 15 and enter. Okay, and also here we have a tangency between this and this. So we go inside, we select this one and we click to control and we select the second element here, and we go inside and we define the constraint of tangency by clicking on constraint defined in dialog box. Okay, and we say we have a tangency here. Okay, so here we have defined this element, so we need just to say that this angle should be 150. So we select constraint and we select this two element and we say that this angle is 150. One more time, like this. Here we have a white shape because it's still moving in space, but elements between them are already defined. We need just to say that we have 70 millimeters between this point and this vertical axis, and we have a coincidence between this element and the horizontal axis. So there are many ways to show it, to use it. So we select this element and we select the horizontal axis and we say that we have coincidence. So the element will be connected to this axis and we say okay. So here we have a green element. That means it cannot move, it's fixed horizontally. And we need to define the distance between this vertical axis and this point, and when we will fix it we have all sketch in green. So this is the first way to make this sketch, and we save and we go to next way to make it. Okay.